So guys, it's me, Bo.
What?
Like, subscribe, and comment.
It was on the tip. It was like.
Wait, okay, he's gonna do some trick real quick. Oh my god, what a legend! Anyway, they're gonna rainbow fidget spinner versus 7-Eleven red fidget spinner. We're gonna see who goes fastest in one. Oh my gosh.
Hurry up.
Okay, in 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh.
Okay, 1,
2, 3.
I messed up.
Oh my god.
1,
1, 2, 3. That's good. Oh, that looks beautiful while spinning. That one too. This one's just like colorful. Jody Joe.
Could be a pretty boring video. It's gonna go for like.
Yours is hella gonna win.
This?
It is. Look at that.
You got yours on mine. Mine's a freaking 7-Eleven.
And two-sided fidget spinners
Well,
are slower than.
Is that true? I thought
Yeah.
they were faster.
Yeah, they are.
You got played.
Well, some aren't.
Yeah, yours is really slowing down, huh?
Well,
Oh,
well, this one's just rocking its way, and this one's slowing down.
no, actually, I put the timer too, so let's see how long.
Oh, he put the. Oh, well, let's see how long his lasts.
in 1 minute.
Let's see how long his lasts for, and then his. So his is starting to slow down.
That one lasted 5 minutes.
His slowing down.
Okay, Joey's lasted 2 minutes exactly.
2 minutes, and his is
We got our
still
pool out
going.
there. We got our pool out there.
Oh! Oh
If
my
you guys remember
God.
from last video, he
You-
scanetoed me and it hurt.
Yeah, but anyways, his is still going in this 2 minutes. But you guys killed them with the views.
Look at that. Looks like it's going slow. Okay, it looks like it's going slow.
And it's
Doesn't it look like it's going slow?
Yeah.
okay. His is still freaking going, and it's been 2 minutes
Shout out to
and
Big Jen Omar's dad.
32 seconds. Yeah, my dad bought him a fidget spinner, and I got one. But it's not two-sided, it's 3-headed. It's like
Three-headed?
gold. It's like gold out there, and then the bears are rainbow, and they light up.
When I can show you the inside of this, guys.
His is gonna last 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
No, last time
yeah,
I lasted 4 minutes.
4. Show you the inside of this 7-Eleven one. Look at that. It's one mini bearing.
Wait, let me see. It's one red bearing. Red's bearing. It's all heck of
Slowing
small.
down.
So,
I hella like this one though.
do you think his fidget spinner is gonna last
For 5 minutes?
4 minutes, or is it gonna stop at 3 minutes? Cause
Oh, that's
Look.
that's going for 4 minutes. Mine's
tell
going
me in the
for 4
comments
minutes
below.
too.
what
Okay.
you guys think.
Nah.
That's 4 minutes. Yep. Yep.
Wait. Yeah, it's 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's 4 minutes. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. I think that fidget spinner will go more.
Last time it was like 4 and 20 seconds.
My prediction is at 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Mine's at 13.
4 minutes and actually 20 seconds. Oh, it's been 4 minutes. Mine's 20 seconds. His is 13. Well, yours expired. Expired, I said.
Now it's going for 30.
Oh, it's going for.
Oh,
is this 40?
It's going for 40.
It's going for 5. Okay.
44.
Yeah, this is not going for 5 minutes for sure. If it does,
That's
this fidget
44.
spinner is super fast. If it goes to 5 minutes, this is kind of a lot too. 4 minutes, pretty
touched
good.
Me. It touched me.
It's going for 45. I mean,
It
but
touched
that's 5 minutes. Come on.
5 minutes, come on. Is it gonna be a new world record? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Because his was 4 minutes and 30 seconds last time.
Hurry, 5. Come on.
5. Let's go! His 5 minutes.
5 minutes and freaking 13 seconds.
Well, that's amazing. And he
It's
stopped
5
at 1
minutes and 20
minute.
seconds.
You're stopped at 1 minute.
Still, this is from freaking 2 minutes. Yeah, and it's from freaking 7-Eleven.
Is it used, Jody?
That's pretty
Is
good.
mine used?
It still hasn't.
I told you 20. 30. I told you.
525.
No!
Oh,
So, his.
we gotta watch this video.
It's been through a lot.
His.
Imagine.
Oh my god. So, it was 5 minutes. Wait, it was how long?
5 and 25.
5 and 25.
5 minutes and 25 seconds.
5 minutes and 25 seconds.
I think that
Okay,
deserves a Vicente dance move.
Can we get
Does that
Oh
deserve
my
a
God.
Vicente move?
this dude trick?
Get her.
Dude, how do I
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And peace.